People often spend money on luxuries they don't truly need, believing these purchases add comfort or status. Marketing tactics and societal pressures make splurging on upscale items feel necessary, even when the benefits are minimal. According to a recent survey, the average American spends over $18,000 annually on non-essential goods and services. These expenses include everything covering premium subscriptions to high-end gadgets, costs that can quietly drain savings without offering long-term value. In this video, we'll reveal common luxury spending mistakes that could be hurting your budget. You'll learn practical tips for making smarter financial choices without sacrificing enjoyment. But before we go any further, yes, this is an AI voice, but a real person wrote this. I earned my financial freedom, and I'm not doing this for money. I don't like narrating videos, so I use an AI voice. Ignore that the voice is AI, the video is worth it. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Designer clothing and accessories. According to a recent survey, 15% of Americans have bought luxury goods in the past year, and 33% are willing to pay more for luxury brands. Designer labels appeal due to their status and perceived quality. People often buy them to signal wealth or fashion sense. While these items can be luxurious, they rarely justify the hefty price tags. Brand loyalty plays a huge role in these purchases. Marketers create an illusion of exclusivity, making customers feel special. This emotional connection encourages spending beyond necessity. Trendy tech gadgets. The allure of the latest tech gadget is hard to resist. New phones, smartwatches, and tablets come with tempting features, making people feel outdated with older models. Marketing strategies often exaggerate the benefits of minor upgrades. Consumers end up paying for features they barely use. This cycle repeats with every new product release. Buying only essential tech or waiting for sales can save considerable money. It's wise to evaluate if a new gadget truly enhances daily life. Luxury gym memberships. Upscale gyms offer premium services like saunas, personal training, and high-end equipment. These extras seem appealing, but can be unnecessary for most fitness routines. Motivation often dwindles after the initial excitement. People pay for memberships they rarely use, resulting in wasted funds. Home workouts or community centers can be just as effective. Choosing a budget-friendly fitness option can still lead to great results. Regular exercise doesn't have to come with a premium price tag. Expensive coffee and beverages. Daily coffee runs seem harmless, but quickly add up. Specialty drinks often cost several dollars each, creating a continuous expense for regular consumers. The social experience of coffee shops adds to the appeal. Although, brewing coffee at home offers the same comfort at a fraction of the cost. Investing in a good coffee maker or learning to craft drinks at home can reduce spending without sacrificing quality or enjoyment. Luxury travel packages. High-end vacations promise unique experiences, but the associated costs can be staggering. First-class flights, five-star hotels, and exclusive tours quickly inflate travel budgets. Many travelers pay for premium services they barely use, such as luxury lounges or concierge services. Budget-friendly travel often provides equally memorable adventures. Planning trips with value in mind allows for enriching experiences without overspending. Affordable travel can still be luxurious with the right approach. Designer home decor. Home design trends evolve rapidly, encouraging frequent updates. Designer furniture and decor come with premium prices that don't always reflect superior quality. Retailers often market these items as status symbols. People spend excessively to create a high-end aesthetic, though similar looks can be achieved affordably. Shopping secondhand or choosing budget-friendly brands keeps home upgrades stylish and economical. A creative approach can transform spaces on a budget. Fine dining and gourmet meals. Dining at upscale restaurants offers a special experience, but frequent indulgence strains finances. Gourmet meals can cost several times more than home-cooked dishes. Social pressure to keep up with friends can escalate dining expenses. Eating out occasionally maintains balance without sacrificing the enjoyment of good food. Learning to cook at home can be rewarding and cost-effective. Replicating favorite restaurant meals can create a similar dining experience for less. High-end beauty treatments. Luxury spa treatments, facials, and beauty regimens promise different kinds of results. While relaxing, these services often cost significantly more than at-home alternatives. Monthly beauty appointments create recurring expenses. DIY beauty routines can achieve similar outcomes when done consistently and correctly. Exploring affordable beauty products and self-care methods reduces spending while maintaining personal wellness. Prioritizing essentials helps trim beauty budgets. Luxury car upgrades. According to recent studies, in 2023, the average amount U.S. consumers spent on vehicle purchases was over $5,500 per year. Upgrading to a luxury car comes with prestige, but also hefty expenses. Higher insurance, maintenance, and fuel costs follow, making ownership more expensive. Car dealers highlight advanced features that may rarely be used. Opting for reliable, fuel-efficient models ensures savings without sacrificing comfort. A practical approach to car ownership preserves long-term financial health. Choosing functionality over luxury keeps transportation costs manageable. Extravagant celebrations and parties. Hosting lavish events can be exciting, but quickly becomes costly. Venue rentals, catering, and entertainment services escalate event budgets. Social expectations push hosts to create unforgettable experiences, although meaningful celebrations don't require extravagant spending. Planning intimate gatherings or DIY events keeps celebrations personal and budget-friendly. Creativity can make any occasion special without stretching finances. Premium pet services. Luxury pet services, including grooming, boarding, and custom meals, cater to pet owners' desire to pamper their furry friends. These services often cost far more than standard options. While pets deserve love and care, many premium offerings provide minimal additional benefit. Regular care at home can be just as effective. Balancing pet care expenses ensures pets are happy and well-maintained without overspending. Smart choices in pet services keep budgets under control. Private club memberships. Joining exclusive clubs offers networking and social prestige, but annual fees can be astronomical. Many members pay for access they seldom use, turning a potential benefit into a financial burden. These memberships often come with hidden costs like event fees and required minimum spending. People justify the expense as a status symbol without evaluating the real value they gain. Exploring community-based groups or free professional networks can provide similar opportunities at little to no cost. Social success doesn't have to mean paying for exclusivity. Gourmet meal. Kit subscriptions. Meal kits promise convenience, but come with premium pricing compared to grocery shopping. Their appeal lies in curated recipes and pre-portioned ingredients, creating a false sense of value. Subscribers often pay for meal kits they forget to pause, leading to unnecessary charges. While cooking becomes easier, the added cost per meal outweighs the convenience. Planning meals and shopping smartly can offer the same culinary experience for less. Cooking at home with fresh ingredients ensures great meals without the inflated price. Personalized subscription boxes. Subscription boxes filled with tailored items often seem thoughtful and fun. Yet, these recurring shipments create continuous expenses for items people may not need. The excitement of receiving curated packages wears off, leaving subscribers stuck with unused products. Many pay for a temporary thrill instead of lasting value. Opting for occasional, intentional shopping trips offers more personal satisfaction. Mindful purchases prevent clutter and save money in the long run. Exclusive membership travel clubs. Travel memberships promise luxury trips at reduced rates, but often involve hefty upfront fees. People pay for access to promotions they could find independently. Promotional offers rarely align with preferred travel dates, limiting true savings. Many members never recoup their initial investment through the limited discounts provided. Booking trips directly through trusted travel platforms often yields better deals. Smart planning beats paying for exclusive membership access. High-end smart home devices. Smart home gadgets create the illusion of convenience, but often come with steep prices. Voice-controlled systems, smart locks, and automated thermostats promise effortless living. The reality is that basic models perform essential functions at a fraction of the cost. People overspend on features they rarely adjust or understand. Evaluating actual needs before purchasing can trim unnecessary tech expenses. A functional home doesn't require the latest connected gadgets. Designer baby gear. New parents often splurge on high-end strollers, cribs, and baby monitors. The belief that premium baby gear ensures better safety and comfort drives these purchases. Retailers play on emotional appeals, marketing items as essential for responsible parenting. Many premium products offer minimal advantages over more affordable alternatives. Choosing quality baby gear without the designer label supports safety and comfort while respecting the budget. Raising children doesn't require luxury-level expenses. Collectible memorabilia. People often invest in collectibles like signed merchandise, limited edition items, or art pieces hoping for future value. Sentimental attachment and market hype fuel these pricey purchases. Collectors pay premium prices without considering potential depreciation. The emotional lure of owning rare items can lead to significant financial loss. Investing with a long-term perspective or collecting as a passion instead of profit prevents financial missteps. Collectibles should add joy, not financial stress. High-end kitchen appliances. Luxury kitchen gadgets promise efficiency, but often come with inflated prices. Smart refrigerators, advanced ovens, and premium blenders attract buyers looking to upgrade their cooking experience. Many features remain underused or unnecessary for everyday cooking. Retailers market these appliances as must-haves, pushing consumers to upgrade sooner than needed. Investing in reliable mid-range appliances meets most culinary needs at a lower cost. Functionality matters more than flashy features in the long run. Designer watches and jewelry. Luxury watches and jewelry represent timeless style, but often cost far more than they're worth. People pay a premium for brand names, even when similar designs are available at lower prices. Marketers create exclusivity through limited editions and celebrity endorsements, making these items feel like status symbols. This perceived prestige drives unnecessary spending. Focusing on classic, affordable pieces ensures style without stretching the budget. Timeless accessories don't have to come with a luxury label. High-end audio equipment. Premium speakers, headphones, and home theater systems promise unparalleled sound quality. People often pay extra for features they rarely notice or need. Tech companies create demand by emphasizing cutting-edge technology and frequent product upgrades. Buyers may not experience a significant difference in everyday listening. Selecting budget-friendly audio gear with good reviews can provide excellent sound quality. Enjoying music and entertainment shouldn't require extravagant spending. Expensive hobbies and collecting. Hobbies like wine collecting, high-end gaming setups, or luxury crafting materials can become costly. Enthusiasts often justify these expenses as necessary for their passion. Retailers market premium versions of hobby-related items, encouraging upgrades and additions. Collectors may spend excessively in pursuit of completeness or exclusivity. Balancing passion and budget keeps hobbies enjoyable without creating financial stress. Engaging in creative pursuits shouldn't mean sacrificing savings. Professional cleaning services. Hiring professional cleaning services provides convenience, but often costs more than expected. Regular home maintenance can reduce the need for expensive deep cleaning sessions. Service providers frequently bundle services, making packages pricier than necessary. People pay for added convenience without considering DIY cleaning options. Establishing a consistent cleaning routine saves money while keeping the home spotless. Professional cleaning should be an occasional luxury, not a recurring expense. Luxury event tickets. Exclusive event tickets, including VIP concert passes or private sports suites, come with premium price tags. People justify these purchases as once-in-a-lifetime experiences. Event organizers use limited availability and special perks to create urgency and drive up prices. Many attendees realize the added expense doesn't significantly enhance their experience. Choosing standard admission or early bird tickets ensures fun without excessive spending. Memorable experiences don't have to include luxury-level access. Smart spending for a better future. Smart spending for a better future. Luxury items can be tempting, but managing spending on non-essentials is key to long-term financial success. By identifying where money is wasted, you can redirect funds toward more meaningful goals like travel, savings, or retirement. Consider small changes, such as choosing value-driven alternatives or reducing unnecessary services. every mindful decision brings you closer to financial security and lasting happiness. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.